This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
Hey guys, this is Valerie Lauer with a video app review of Physics 21 HD. This is an application that's universal, works on the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. It's going to run you 99 cents from iTunes, and we have given it a pretty good score. You're going to have to listen to this a little bit to get that full fill-in from me, though. Physics 21 is actually a game that combines classic blackjack gameplay with some physics principles and some aiming, and just for some fun gameplay and a great pickup game. There's two main game modes. There's this single deck game mode and this timed game mode. We're going to go ahead and go through the how-to real quick just to kind of give you a brief information about it. So basically how to play: you earn points by making 21, which is basically the premise behind blackjack, obviously. You can touch anywhere on the table to shoot cards in the buckets below, and again, you want to shoot with some precision. You don't want to aim those to the wrong bucket, or you may end up with a total that you weren't looking for. You can also see how this reads. So whenever there's a bucket that's active, this is going to give you how many cards are in it right now. You have a bonus spinner if you get 21 a certain number of times. There's also a card counter here at the bottom. Your score displays on the side. There is a pause button, and you can actually dismiss cards up to 5 times each level, just for a little bit of ease of play. Here's a breakdown of the points table for what points you get for what. Again, with the two different game modes, during the timed game mode, you can actually lose points for going bust on a bucket, and you can gain time by hitting up certain scores, 21 being the obvious one there. Now we're going to go ahead and put the volume down. Not because we don't like the soundtrack, but because I'm sure you'd like to hear me talk to you while we play. There's also a little info button, and we're going to go ahead and exit. So let's play the single deck mode. And basically, again, it gives you a little bit of a how-to. And you go ahead and touch. So, as you can tell, you're aiming. And you also, if you're crafty, would like to go ahead and pick up some of these coins. It's not a bad idea. There we go. So as you can tell, we're up to 9 in that bucket. We're going to go ahead and throw in until we have 15. And then we'll kind of let that sit for a minute to see if we can get anywhere else near where we need to go. So we're at 18, we're at 7, and again, just the premise here is to go ahead and get yourself to 21. Now, as you can tell, if I put that 7 in any of these buckets, I'm going to go bust. So that's 11, there we go. So now we're at 16. So with the 6, we're going to go 15, and voila, we got it there. We're good to go. 3 and 18, we're good to go there as well. Let's go ahead and put that up to 20 in case we get an ace. And as you can tell, it just kind of gets better and better as you go. And so we have that bonus. And again, as I mentioned before, you can pause. You can turn the sound on and off from the game as well. And if you do go bust, it just busts and you get rid of your bonus points at that point too. So you do want to be careful to try to make sure you accumulate those and use that skip button judiciously in case you're at a point where you just don't need these. So we're kind of in a bad point right now. We have too many points. We need to make sure we get this higher points as we go through this deck. And also, this game does integrate with Game Center for Game Center integration. And with Game Center, you're actually getting a lot of fun with those scores. I could not believe some of these scores that people have. They are obviously doing super, super well. And I was totally put to shame by their awesomeness. So, a little bit of abashedness there. Alright, so we're not getting too far on this one. Let's go ahead and pause it. I'm actually going to go back to the main menu. And we're going to show you the timed version, which plays about the same way. Again, the whole point here being that you're really just trying to get to 21. And you're also trying to beat the clock on this one. So, when you bust, you lose time. When see, we didn't do very good there. We busted. We didn't get 21 really quick. So that's how that one plays. For its, simplicity of play and for the fun pick-me-up style of it all, we did give this application a 4 out of 5 stars. Again, for 99 cents, you really can't beat. As you can tell, some of these scores are just insane. I'm totally in awe of these people, by the way. Really great pickup game. Really a lot of fun to play. The graphics are pretty cool. So we really liked it. 4 out of 5 stars is not a bad score. And the 99 cents is a great price tag. So you really aren't going to get hurt. You're not going to lose out on anything by picking up this game. You're actually going to have a lot of fun. And I like it quite a bit for a good short period of time, or to play it obsessively for hours and hours. Either way, it's good to go. So again, with the iPhoneAppReview.com, this has been Valerie Lauer with a video app review of Physics 21 HD. Until next time.